Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a referral code to the Uber app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you got started with using Uber, and for some reason, your friend or family member didn't get their referral. How do you actually go ahead and add a referral code to the Uber app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Then click on Wallet on the top right-hand corner. Then on this page, scroll down and underneath Referrals, click on Add Referral Code. So this is where you're going to enter the referral code so that you can claim and use your referral. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a referral code to the Uber app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next